Many of the evidence-based interventions that exist have been developed in a controlled environment, right? University-based setting. And so the current need is to push more of those evidence-based treatments into the real world. And I think that social work, with our perspective on the person and the environment fit, are a unique profession by which to really think about what the challenges are with respect to moving evidence-based interventions into the real world. How do we engage families and clinicians to be a part of that important work? And so from those perspectives, I think it all is relevant to social work.